This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by minimizing writes to the storage. Stop using the phone or drive right now. Once done, enable airplane mode and disable backups so the deleted files aren't overwritten. Make sure you know the device type, OS version, and whether photos lived on internal storage or an SD card. This determines the recovery tools and approach. Now connect the device to a computer if possible, or remove the card, because you will run a specialized recovery scan next. You pick a reputable recovery program matched to your system, then run a targeted deep scan. Choose file carving if the file table is damaged. While scanning, filter results to common photo types like JPG, PNG, and hike so you can find images faster. Once the tool lists recoverable items, preview thumbnails to verify content, and export recovered files to a different drive or cloud folder. Never restore them back to the same storage sector you scanned. This preserves remaining recoverable data. You finish by validating every recovered photo and organizing them into a new backup strategy. Then re-enable sync only after confirming integrity. If some images are corrupted, make sure to try a different recovery tool or run an image repair utility. Different algorithms can retrieve different fragments. If scans find nothing or files remain unreadable, make a note of device behavior and consider a professional data recovery service, because physical or low-level damage often requires lab tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.